If you observe my face carefully, then you would notice that my face is like 2 to 3 shades of brown. May not be that visible on camera due to lighting, but I do have hyperpigmentation around my mouth, underneath my eyes, and my forehead. My forehead is like 2 to 3 shades darker than the rest of my face. So if I directly go in with the foundation now, it's going to turn gray in all the areas where I have hyperpigmentation. This is where the color correction comes into play. Soul of color correction is all about using opposite colors to neutralize hyperpigmentation, dark circles, or acne scars to prevent your foundation from looking ashy or gray. So basically, our hyperpigmentation or dark circles tend to have blue or purple undertone, and we use orange color corrector to neutralize it. On the color wheel, orange is complementary to blue, that is why they neutralize each other. There is one thumb rule that we use here. Higher the intensity of your dark circle or hyperpigmentation, higher the intensity of your color corrector. For very mild discoloration, your skin tone concealer is enough. For medium intensity dark circle, you're going to use an orange color corrector for, say, the discoloration that you saw on my forehead. But if you have very intense dark circle, you're going to use deep orange to red leaning color corrector. Okay, so let's start with the real thing now. Before doing my makeup, I always make sure to prep my skin well a couple of minutes before starting my makeup. Since the intensity of my hyperpigmentation leans somewhere in between mild to medium, I'm gonna be using an orange color corrector. For this, I'm going to show you in steps. I use this corrector as it is on my forehead. You don't need a lot, just a teeny tiny amount. If you take a lot, you're going to need a lot of foundation to cover it up. And now just blend it well, but don't overblend it because we need the color. This is how it should roughly look like. For the rest of my face, where I have very mild discoloration, I'm going to be mixing my regular concealer with the orange corrector to make peach corrector. You can always customize makeup as per your needs. You just need to study your face well. This one is an excellent technique if you have very mild discoloration. You're technically concealing cum color correcting in one single step. It's perfect for no makeup look or no foundation days. So this is how my face looks. Once you're done with your color correction, always make it sure that you're setting it with a loose setting powder. This is going to ensure that your color corrector does not mix with your foundation that you're going to apply on top of it. It's a very crucial step, so don't forget it. Unless you want your foundation to turn orange. Once you're done with this, now you can move on with your foundation. Always use a concealer that's closer to your skin tone first. I don't like to use a lighter concealer, but if you want to use a lighter concealer, go with the skin tone concealer first. Let it marinate for a while for higher coverage. Until then, you can just do your blush or just roam around. Now I'm gonna set the center of my face and underneath my eyes with some loose powder, but always make it sure that you're distributing it evenly on your puff or your brush so that you don't get any patches of powder on your face. So this is how my face looks before, and this is after. So this was my color correction routine that I use regularly for myself. You can always customize it as per your need. Now before you come after me, let me give you a little demo. Let's say your dark circle looks somewhat like this. I've used a brown liner, guys, for the demo purpose. Then you're going to need a deep orange to red leaning color. I don't have one, so I'm using a lipstick for the demo. Next, you're just going to blend, keeping it limited to your dark circle only. Don't overspread it. We are going to follow the same steps. Set it with a loose setting powder, then go in with a concealer that's closer to your skin tone. Again, this is before and this is after. This is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, bye.